TensorBoard is your MRI for neural nets. See gradients, weights, activations live.
I found a dead layer in 30 seconds. Would have taken days without it.
Log everything: loss, accuracy, weights, gradients. I'll add callbacks and show you a dying gradient live.
GradCam shows exactly where your model is looking. Is it the cat or the carpet?
My model was predicting cat because of the carpet. GradCam caught it instantly.
Essential for computer vision debugging. I'll run GradCam on your DailyAIWizard image model live.
TEF data bugs are silent. Wrong shuffling, no prefetch caching disasters.
I trained for 12 hours because prefetch was off. Data starvation.
Always inspect your pipeline with .as_numpy_iterator. I'll show a broken pipeline fix with prefetch and cache.
One command shows if your model is built wrong: input, output shapes, param count.
I once had a model with 0 parameters. Summary caught it.
Always run model.summary after building. I'll break the DailyAIWizard model shape live, then fix it.
Add asserts to catch impossible values. Nan, negative probabilities, wrong shapes.
I once had negative probabilities. Assert saved me.
Fail fast, fail loud. I'll add asserts to DailyAIWizard. Watch them scream when I break it.
Weights and biases logs everything. Compare 50 runs in one click.
I found my best model from 3 weeks ago. Wand be remembered.
Free tier is amazing. I'll log your DailyAIWizard training live.
Your training is slow. Profiler shows exactly where. Data, GPU, CPU.
I was blaming the model. It was tf.data the whole time.
Built into TensorBoard. I'll profile your DailyAIWizard app live.
SHAP tells you exactly which words made it positive or negative.
My model hated the word but. SHAP showed me.
Explainable AI gold standard. I'll explain a wrong prediction live.
Write tests for your pre-processing, model output, predictions. Never break silently again.
I added tests after a disaster. Never going back.
CI/CD for AI. I'll write 5 tests for DailyAIWizard app live.
Automatically validate every new batch. Catch corrupted data before training.
I once trained on all NaN images. Great expectations would have saved me.
Data tests are as important as code tests. I'll add 3 expectations live.
Your complete debugging checklist. Print it, save it, live by it.
I have this taped above my monitor. Saved me hundreds of hours.
This plus TensorBoard plus the 7 steps equals unstoppable.
Download link in description. Free forever.
Every single one of us has lost days to these bugs. Now you're immune.
I still have the Slack message where I cried for 6 hours straight.
This is what separates juniors from seniors.
You're now in the 1% who actually debug fast.